Hi guys, I'm going to show you this renumber sheet tool. So what this tool does is it renumbers sheets that are already in order in ascending order. And what I mean by that is, for example, so what I had here is I had sheet numbers ES401 to ES407, but I inserted a 401A, 404A, a 404B, etc. And what the tool will do is it, instead of having these A's and B's, it will replace them all so that all the numbers are going in ascending order. So it'll go 401, 402, 403, 44, etc. So all you need to do is select the first sheet that your pattern starts at, and then type in the prefix. So now I have 401, 402, 403, 44, etc. And it ends once it finds a sheet that is not one number higher than the previous sheet. It stops renumbering them. So as you see, I have a 499 here, and it noticed that and didn't renumber these two sheets. And yeah, that's what the tool does.